Hello and welcome to Turner Time Tutorials. This video is for Schwans on how to create a home page for Safari on your iPad. When you open Safari, the internet browser on your iPad, it opens to the last page that you visited. Unlike the browser on your computer where you can set a specific home screen to open when you open up your browser, there is a workaround for this. We're going to add a shortcut to the home screen. To do this, we're going to navigate to the Schwan's Food Service webpage. I'm going to go to my address bar and tap the X to clear it. Type in Schwan's Food Service. And when you have your iPad open to the web page that you'd like to use as your home page, tap the Share button next to the address bar. And the center selection is Add to Home Screen. Let's tap that. It's going to open up an Add to Home dialog box with the name of the website already typed in. You can use what's there, or you can edit the option. Tap in the box and just call it Schwan's. Tap the Add button. Now on my screen I have an icon for the Schwan's web page. When I tap the icon, open up a session in my internet browser, open to the Schwan's Food Service homepage. We can take this one step further by moving this shortcut icon onto our dock. So to do that, you can tap and hold any app until they begin to shake. And then we're going to tap and drag the Safari icon out of the dock. And we're going to tap and drag the Schwan's icon onto our dock. Press the home button to stop them from shaking and save your changes. And now in my dock, I have an icon to open up my browser. But when I tap it, it will also open up to the Schwan's Food Service homepage. If you have any questions, please email info@getturnertime.com. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.